Hi friends, it's Susan Smith with Stamp Creatively. I have a fun graduation card for you. I did it at camp and I used last year's InColors. So the one I'm going to do for you, I'm going to use the new InColors. So this is what I made, and it does this. Super cute. So let me show you how I did it, and then I'm going to, with the new InColors. This is like your boy graduation card. I'm going to make the girl version now. So I use the bird's eye view. I use the mini pocket envelopes, and all of these things are going to be in the next catalog. I use the online exclusive Softly Said. Again, all in the new catalog. I used the 24 to 26 InColor 6x6 paper, and this is how I store mine. I cut the little thing out of here, and it all goes in here. So you can see all the stuff I've used. I've already cut up a bunch of it. So I took a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Whisper White, and I just took this seal and ran it. Oh, look, I have 3 of these that are almost out, and I wanted to use them up. So that one's gone. Okay, I think that one's gone too. My campers use a lot of seal. So I cut 1/2 inch strips from the Designer Series paper. I'm just going to lay them across the front of here. And then I'm going to trim it off. If you are a what color color order, I'm probably going to make you crazy because I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to grab one out of my hand and put it on there. Because that's how I roll some days. Because the kid that gets this is not going to care what color paper strips I used, right? I mean, look how cute that is. Okay. And then I'm going to put this one up here at the top. Smooth it all down, and all these little pieces are going to go right back in here in case I need to do another one of these. I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to trim this off. I just need to trim off that one side, and then I'm going to trim this top off because I don't want it any bigger than what I'd originally cut. Oh, I can stick that back in. Now I'm going to emboss it. So I use the mini envelope dies to cut out my envelope to go on the inside. Then, if you haven't seen these new embossing folders, we were only, in the pre-order, we could order a couple of different folders, but look how big these are. That's a stamp set. They're huge. And I love this polka dot. Look at that pattern. It's so cool. I love my job. So I had one of the ladies came in yesterday to fold this. I'm just going to, it gives me score lines. So I'm just going to fold it, and then I fold this back. I'm not bothering to tuck it in or do any of the stuff because I'm going to just stick this smack on the front of that, inside of that card. So one of the ladies came yesterday, and she's like, she was copying a fold She's like, oh my gosh, I love this fold. She was looking at my samples. I said, we're doing that. And it was this fold. And she goes, oh, I'm making this card first. So she decided she was going to make this card first. Because again, she loved the fold. This is the Summer Splash, just in case you're wondering. So that's a Summer Splash. So to make this card, you just adhesive it across the bottom so it stands up. Well, she sealed it all down. And when she realized, she was so mad. She was like, what the heck? I couldn't wait to make this card, and there I did it. I'm like, yes, you did, friend. So I'm going to seal this down right here. So it's going to stand up. And what's going to hold it up is this cute little... Oh, I killed the third one. Boom. I'm going to use one of these. Come on. Yep. Let's see if I can get this to cooperate with me. So I'm going to put that seal on the back of this. And I'm going to tuck it right here. How cute is that? I mean, it's just such a happy thing. Okay, so now I'm going to, this is the Shy Shamrock. I'm going to put it at the bottom. I'm going to take my memento. I'm going to add my books. I'm going to add my bird. I want my bird to have a couple of balloons. And these all come in that set. Look at that, I hit that, boom. And then I did it again, what the heck. There. And then I need my bird to have some eyeglasses because those are funny on the bird. Come on, scooch over. There we go. Now I'm going to color my cute little bird. So, and I'm going to use my InColor blends. I think I'm going to make my bird light peach pie. For the wings and the belly. Oh, let's do dark peach pie for the belly. I mean, this guy's funny. Then I'm going to do a light Pretty in Pink for its head. And let's do that dark peach pie again for its beak. I'm going to color these books. This one is the light Summer Splash. I turned it too quick. I couldn't remember what it was. This is the Light Shamrock. I'll get all the names down here soon, right? It just takes a minute. Oh, this is the Light Petunia Pop. I have a tendency to pull it more towards me, and then I forget to look up to see if it's even in the camera. So I apologize. let's switch. Put some of this pink down here. Because we can. You'd think it was rocket science the way I'm going through and picking my colors. This is the dark summer splash. So you can see, you know, when you first look at the Shy Shamrock and the Summer Splash, they look like they're real close. They're not as close when you put them on paper. See? I mean, you can tell there's a difference. Okay, I'm going to do a balloon. And one more light peach pie. We must be like a kind of a pie company because we have pecan pie, peach pie, and pumpkin pie, which is funny. Okay, so I wanted to mount it on the black. I'm going to put this on here. And just because I'm going to do this one a little different, I'm going to tear the bottom. I tore paper in an event one time and I had a lady go, oh, I can't do that. I can't tear the paper. I'm like, yes, you can. I believe in you. She's like, oh, it was way out of her comfort zone. And then I said, what do you do for a living? And she said she was, I don't know, an accountant or CPA or something. And I said, well, there you go. Okay, so I'm using those edges of my dimensionals because, again, my campers use up my dimensionals, right? Okay, come off. I cut my nails off and now I can't get anything to, there it goes. Okay. So I'm going to put this right on the front. Is that not adorable? Look how cute that is. So on the one I did at camp, I used rhinestones, like on the corner of the glasses and stuff. For this one, I want to use those InColor gems that are so pretty. Okay, here we go. Can you tell I've about used up my sheet? I'm glad I know where to get more. Okay, I'm going to put them on the glasses in the corner. And if you say, oh, no one would wear glasses like it. Oh, no, I have a girlfriend who has glasses that looks almost exactly like that. Gosh, these are so cute. Okay, I could, again, finish up the sheet. Then the last thing I did, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see my crazy. So I took my fine tip glue and I'm going to put it on the balloons. And if you're doing this at a camp or an event, or just doing it in your own space for yourself, just remember this is going to take a minute to dry. It's not an instant dry. So don't go to touch it or put it on and stick it in the envelope or everything's going to stick together. But when it dries, it's clear and adorable. And to put the tip back on, I hold my finger there and then just guide it in so I can get it right in there. Oh, you all are watching, so. I mean, I did this 15 times at camp. Oh my. There it goes. Okay. It didn't go. We're going to do it again. Only because I'm on camera is it doing this. What the heck? There it goes. Oh, I think it's clogged in there. That's the problem. It is going in. Yeah, it's clogged. Okay, I'm going to have to clean that out. Because that's not a thing, right? We like our fine tip glue. Yeah, it won't go any further. Okay, I'll take a straight pen and go in there and do that. Okay, so you can see my pretty, see the pretty sparkly balloons with the eyeglasses? There it is when it dries. Okay, friends, you'll have to tell me which one you like. Or they're just different. We have a boy and a girl card, and that's just fun. All right, friends, thanks for joining me. You have a great day, and we will stamp again soon. Bye.